Hello everyone, how are you? It's me Rasan Rafi and my batch is PT131. Today I will say about environmental pollution. So let us start it. What is the environmental pollution? Environmental pollution means polluted the environment. So let's start it. First thing is the pollution is mainly caused by industrial waste, and first thing is that there are many industrial company and they make many product by their benefits, but sometimes they make many pollution and it's harm the environment. The second thing is that vehicles emissions. There are many vehicles in the road and for their toxic gas, and this is polluted the air, and also this is pollution. And the second thing is plastic are very useful, but this is non-biodegradable and it is stay in the environment for hundreds of years and it harms the environment for a lot of time. And the second thing is deforestation, and deforestation means cutting down tree day by day, and many people cut down trees by their own reason, and the thing is making roads, buildings and many furnitures, and by cutting down trees the carbon dioxide is increasing day by day, and the animals house is, and the second thing is, and the third thing is agriculture pesticides. Agriculture pesticides is important to grow the plants, but this is very harmful because they made by many chemicals and this is harmful the soil. So this is polluted the soil. Also the second thing is improper waste disposal, and there are four types of pollution. One is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and sound pollution. But about this, air pollution is very dangerous because who have asthma problem and breathing problem, if he stay in the polluted area, so he can't breathe properly and they have to problem to breathing. And the second thing is water pollution. This is also dangerous because if you drink the polluted water, so we have to suffer many type of diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, etc. And for this pollution, the global warming is increasing and the earth is warming, and the ice is melt day by day. Also the water level is increasing. For this reason we have to suffer the flood. Also for this reason the wild animal is depolluted day by day. Also this is change the ecosystem properly. Also this is very dangerous for the wildlife animals. And the pollution is solution, and the first thing is promote tree plantation, because if we promote the tree plantation, so we can change the pollution. Also use public transport and reverse the energy. And the second thing is this, it can be solved by reduce, reuse and recycle. Also this is very important for our life. If we recycle the things, so it don't have too many waste. Also, and plastic bag ban, because plastic is non-biodegradable and it stay in the environment for hundreds of years, and this is very dangerous. And last thing is industrial waste. If we control the industrial waste, so we can control the pollution. And last thing is raise awareness through education. If it is about the pollution and the environment, so we have to solve the pollution, because if we teach the students what's the pollution and what's the effect of the pollution, so we have to change the earth. Also support the environmental laws and clean up the drivers. So to conclusion it, pollution is everyone's responsibility. If if we work together and we can create a cleaner, so it can be solved. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening cordially.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Fatima, come on.